Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with GoCompare Review My Usage Experience. GoCompare Review My Usage Experience offers a comparison service for various insurance providers in the UK. Its main purpose is to help users find the best deals on car, home, travel, and other types of insurance. The target audience is anyone in the UK looking to compare insurance policies and save money. Key features likely include filtering options, price comparisons, and potentially customer reviews. Their website provides details on the specific insurers they compare. Their website provides details on the range of insurance policies covered and the comparison tools they offer. They highlight ease of use, claiming a straightforward process to find suitable insurance. They emphasize pricing transparency, though specific mentions of no hidden fees or no contracts aren't explicitly advertised on their site from what I've seen. The technology appears to be a straightforward comparison engine, pulling data from various insurance providers. Availability is limited to the UK market. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using GoCompare Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. I simply entered my car details for my car insurance search, and within seconds, I had a list of potential insurers and their quotes. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I could easily filter results by price, coverage level, and add-ons. The performance was excellent, the site loaded quickly, and the results were presented clearly. I was really impressed by how visually clear the comparison tables were, making it easy to spot the best deals. One minor drawback was that the site's layout felt a bit dated. I had a quick question about the specifics of one policy's coverage and their support responded within 2 days via email, which was acceptable. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to compare so many insurers in one place, saving me a lot of time. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with GoCompare Review My Usage Experience. It simplified the often daunting process of finding the right insurance policy. That's my overview of GoCompare Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.